Dear kids, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to the online classes. So today we are going to have a class on English. As you know, on the previous classes we have discussed different items from Active English Workbook Part 1. So on the sequence of that classes, today once again we will go another one item, and that is item number 27. I repeat, it is item number 27 and page number 38. And the item is from your Active English Workbook Part 1. As you can see on the screen, Miss has mentioned the book name and the along with its item and page number. Okay, so that you don't face any difficulty in finding the right page out. So on this page, like similar to the other pages on this item, once again we will have some pictures, and all that we need to do is to describe the pictures. Okay, now the description will be in question answer session type pattern. Okay, that means seeing the picture you have to identify that what the picture is describing about, or what the boy is doing, or what the girl is doing. Okay, so all it is about the picture. So let's get started. So number one is, can you see in the number one picture, the boy is laughing. The boy is laughing. We can see a smiling face of a boy, as it's a boy. So here for a boy, we have used the pronoun he. So the question is he laughing? Do you think he is laughing? Yes, he is. So the answer will be yes, he is. And the red marked word is the missing word that you have to fill in. Okay, যেটা লাল কালারের কালি দিয়ে লেখা সেটাই হচ্ছে আমার মিসিং ওয়ার্ড, যেটা দিয়ে আমাকে fill in the gapটা পূরণ করতে হবে. Okay, now number 2, is she crying? Can you see a picture of a girl? Yes, it's a girl. Okay, so is she crying? The question is she crying? Do you think that the girl is crying? তোমার কি মনে হয় ছবিটা দেখে যে সে কান্না করছে? No, she is not. So no, she is not. Here the missing words will be she is. Okay, so no, she is not. Are you done with two of these pictures? Number 1, is he laughing? So seeing the picture we can sense no, he is not crying, he is laughing. Yes, he is. Number 2 picture says, is she crying? No, she is not. Okay, she is not. I would like to ask you to note it down right now, so that you don't need to waste your much time after it. Okay, তোমরা এখনই যদি এগুলো টুকে নাও তাহলে তোমাদের আর পরে এটি করতে হবে না. So going to the next one, should I move on? Yes, so going to the next one is here the picture is the picture says it's a boy. So we see him shouting. So is he shouting? Do you think he is shouting? Yes, he is. Okay, yes, he is. So 3 of the pictures are done. Like, is he laughing? Yes, he is. Is she crying? No, she is not. Is he shouting? Yes, he is. Okay, so these were the first 3 questions. Now moving on to the next 3. So again, it's item number 27 and page number 38. I repeat, it's again item number 27, page number 38. Have your exercise book, or you can fill it up in your workbook also, as the workbook is all about your practical classes. So I hope you all have your Active English workbook and your pencil, so that you can solve the questions here right here with me. Okay. So the next question, here in this picture we can see a girl, and she is holding a glass. Okay, and it's a glass of water. So undoubtedly the girl is drinking water. So she is holding a glass of water. So she is drinking water. So the question is she singing? Do you think she is singing? No, it's not a mic, it's not a microphone, it's a glass. So she is not singing. She is not singing. Okay, can we write it down? Do you think yes, she is singing? No, as she is not holding a microphone or she is not in in a position of singing. Rather we can see she is drinking something, maybe it's water. So she is drinking is the no, she is not singing is the right answer. Okay, so note it down right now with me. No, she is not. Okay, she is not. So so let us go through number 5. Here we can see in the number 5 picture, as all of you have your book, so you can easily find the pages and the pictures. So you can see in the picture that some of the girls, they are in position of singing. Okay, so I think they are actually singing. I hope you can also sense the same scenario, that they are singing. So the question is, are they singing? The missing word is they. Okay, you got it, the missing word. Which one is the missing word? Are they. Why we have used the pronoun they here? Because more than one people or more than two people, for if it is about plural number and if it is about human being, then of course we use pronoun as they. Okay, they, we, etc. So are they singing? Are they singing? Do you think does it seem like yes, they are singing? Yes, they are. So one trick is for you, that if it is then yes, only 3 words you have to write. If it is no, if the answer is like no, then you have to write one more word. No, it is not. Okay, just you have to add the not at the very ending of the sentence. So are they singing? The question is, are they singing? As we can see from the picture, yes, they are singing. They are in position of singing or uttering something. So the question, so the answer will be yes, they are. Okay, yes, they are. Why are is here? Because after they, for present tense, we use auxiliary verb are. I repeat, for the present tense, in present tense, for the subject they, we use are. For the subject you, again we use are. Okay, so they are, you are, we are. Okay, so yes, they are, because of the subject here are is placed. Got it? So let us see the next one. What comes next? In the next picture, you can see at the very last picture, here it's a scenario of a classroom. Some of the pupils are listening to their teacher, maybe who is giving the lecture, that is she is their teacher. We can sense that it's a woman, because seeing her gesture, we can easily understand, we find it a woman. Okay, so for women, we use the pronoun she. Got it? So the question will be, is she speaking? Is she speaking? So I have marked in red colored, the missing words are marked in to the red colored. Okay, so that you can easily find the missing words as for your answer. So is she speaking? Do you think she is speaking? Yes, we can see that she is trying to making them understand, to make them understand about any topic. Maybe she is giving lecture, or she is giving them any lesson. So the pupils are, or the students are listening to her very carefully and with the full of concentration. So easy to say, if the teacher doesn't speak, so then who they are listening to? So undoubtedly she is speaking. So is she speaking? Yes, she is. We can see 3 blanks here. So if there are 3 blanks, that যদি এখানে 3টা শূন্যস্থান থাকে, তার মানে এটার উত্তর হবে yes. আর যদি এখানে 4টা শূন্যস্থান দিয়ে দেয়া থাকে, তাহলে উত্তরটা হবে no. Okay, so yes, she is. So from the picture we can easily sense that she is talking or she is speaking. So yes, she is. Got it? So let us go through from the very first one. The first picture, we can see a boy is laughing. So yes, he is. The second picture, is she crying? No, she is not. The third one, is he shouting? Yes, he is. Number 4, is she singing? No, she is not. Number 5, are they singing? Yes, they are. Number 6, is she speaking? Do you think? Yes, from the picture, yes, she is. So all that you need is to concentrate on the picture, and seeing the picture, you need to identify their activity, or the or the verb that they are doing right now. So all that you need to only to have a close look on the pictures. Okay, all the descriptions are already given in the picture. You just need to find it out. So that's all for today. Hope you will practice. So for your homework, Miss has given page number 36, 37 and 38. যে পেজগুলো অলরেডি আমরা কমপ্লিট করে এসেছি 36, 37 সেগুলো তোমরা রিভিশন দেবে। Along with 36 and 37, you need to go through page number 38. That's the homework for you. Hope we will meet very soon on next class. Stay well and take care.